Paper is dying. Your wealth is becoming a ghost in the machine.
The stamp of the king. The birth of controlled value. For millennia, money was a physical weight. Truth you could feel.
Trust was verified by the laws of physics. Weight was the ultimate truth. Before the cloud, there was blood. Gold was the first algorithm of trust.
But weight became a burden. In the East, the promise was born. Paper.
The printing press replaced the forge. Wealth became a decree.
Intricate designs hid a simple fact. You were now trading a story.
We built fortresses to protect the paper promises.
Then, the physical world vanished. Money became a signal. We replaced the weight of gold with the speed of light.
Every swipe, a digital signature. Every transaction, a recorded memory.
The systems we trusted began to evolve beyond our control.
Money is no longer a thing. It is energy. It is code.
Soon, you won't hold your wealth. You will be your wealth.
Cleaning the layers of history to reveal the hidden value.
Trust was once a chemical reaction, a physical test of truth.
Hidden in plain sight. Art was our first firewall. Fiat is an idea. When the idea dies, the paper returns to dust. The ultimate backup. Even the cloud needs a physical foundation.
A signature, the last vestige of personal honor in finance.
Destroying the old promise to make room for the new protocol.
The beginning of the end. The physical world started to glitch.
Secure. Encrypted. Invisible.
This is where your money lives now, in the humming silence of the cold room.
Wealth is now a frequency, a stream of bits.
The ledger is no longer in a vault. It is everywhere. Mining the digital gold, turning energy into value.
The key to the kingdom is a string of words.
Lose the key, and your wealth vanishes into the void forever.
A new consensus. Digital gold for a digital species.
Inflation, the silent theft of the old world.
In the end, we always return to the basics.
Your identity is the ultimate currency.
No cards. No phones. Just you.
Augmented value. The world is a marketplace.
The central bank digital currency. Total control. Total visibility.
The last act of rebellion. Keeping it physical. Security is the new castle wall.
The quantum threat. No lock is safe forever.
We go back to learn the secrets of the ancient vault.
The raw materials of freedom.
Tokenizing existence. Ownership without touch.
When the signal fails, what remains?
The anchor in the storm.
Restoring the tools of tomorrow.
Human to human.
The ultimate peer-to-peer.
The empty vessel of a past life. Printing the new value. Bio-integrated.
The rules haven't changed, only the medium.
The auditor is always watching.
Hybrid wealth, the best of both worlds. Goodbye, physical promise.
Connection restored. Evolution complete.
We are the curators of our own progress.
What will you value when the physical is gone?
The pulse of the future.
Restoring the space for the next invention.
Don't miss the next restoration.
Every exchange tells a story.
Algorithm complete. Value restored.
See you in the next era.
Subscribe. God bless.